Do you feel you never have time in your life to do what you want to do and spend time with your friends and family? Maybe you want more money and to get a better paying job, but that's not going to give you more time with your friends and family. You can get money back, but you can't get time back. You may be missing out on your kids growing up, or even being able to go to their soccer game, or all the things that they want you to be able to do with them while they're still young and in the house. Or maybe you need to have time to spend with your elderly parents that won't be around for too long, and you want that valuable time. Or maybe you just want to have time to pursue your passions in life and not be tied to a job and have to ask off for a few days a year. Time is your most valuable asset. Maybe you're a healthcare worker like I am. You spend all your time at work and then more time off the clock with paperwork. Maybe you're a realtor who shows houses all the time. Maybe you're a teacher. You spend your evenings doing lessons and paperwork. Maybe you're a truck driver and spend time away from your family all the time. The way you get your time back while working a full-time job is to have leverage. That's how all wealthy people do it. You can use the internet to have leverage. You can have these short videos. You can do them on YouTube. You can do them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even Pinterest, in as little as 7 seconds. And these are like little sales machines out there working for you 24/7. You can build up these assets and be able to make money while you're sleeping, while you're working. Short form content is where it is right now. And if you have a busy life, you can fit it into your busy life, because you could be making these videos while you're at your kid's soccer game, waiting in line, even on your break at work. I know someone who was working a restaurant job, and he'd get home at 11 o'clock. He'd come home, he'd make 3 of these really short videos every day, and then the next day he would post them at work, like at 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. Well, within 4 months, he was able to leave his job, and now he's full-time from home, making over 6 figures a year, and that's all because he wanted to make a change, and he took consistent action with these short-form videos. You don't need any audience or following. Anyone can do this. You don't need anything but a laptop, an internet connection, and a cell phone. You may be thinking, I don't want to do these videos. Well, would it be better than going to your job? Anything you do for long enough, you become good at it if you have the right guidance. You can't worry about what other people think, because there's an opportunity right now like you'll never see again, and it can totally change your life in just a few months. I was afraid to do video, but now I love it, and you can get really good at it and have a lot of fun with it. And maybe you think you're not technical. Believe me, I'm not. But with the right guidance, I figured it out, and it's not hard. Certainly not as hard as going to my job as a physical therapist. I've seen it happen for so many people from all walks of life, like teachers, truck drivers, people who paint cars for a living, people who have zero experience in this industry, and they come in, they see the opportunity, they learn what they need to do, and they become very successful. Some decide to keep their jobs for a while, but they have this great income coming in, and then some people decide to leave their jobs. I have a free training that shows you how to create leverage in your life and how to get your time back. Follow and comment how, and I'll reach out to you.